Paint cracking or crazing can totally ruin your walls, but fixing it is way easier than you think if you know the right steps. First off, you gotta get rid of that old paint that's cracked or peeling. Scrape it off carefully so you have a clean base to work with. Then, grab some sandpaper and smooth out the surface. It helps the new paint stick better and look way nicer. Make sure you wipe away the dust after sanding because a dirty surface messes up the finish. Next, pick a flexible paint formula designed to move with your walls instead of cracking when things settle or shift. When you apply the paint, don't go too thick. Thin coats dry better and keep that smooth look. Also, try painting in good weather conditions. Too hot or too cold can mess with drying times and cause cracks. Lastly, be patient and let each coat dry fully before adding the next one, so everything bonds right and lasts longer. One of the biggest problems with fixing paint cracking or crazing is skipping the prep work, which makes new paint peel off fast. To avoid this, always remove old paint and sand properly. Another common mistake is using regular paint formulas that are too rigid. These don't flex with your walls and crack again quickly. The fix is to use flexible paints made for this kind of issue. Lastly, rushing the job by slapping on thick coats without letting them dry can trap moisture and cause more cracking later. So take your time and let each layer dry fully before moving on. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners looking to connect with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. It's also a great spot for contractors wanting to find steady work and build a solid reputation in their community.